Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new ghost font and haunted text effect that you can use for your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is Halloween time and Instagram has just released a new font called ghost font and also the haunted text effect. I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story right here. And I'm just going to select a random photo from my gallery. For example, this one. Okay, and here you will see new font, guys. And this is called Ghost Font. I'm going to tap on that. And you can type in something. For example, I'm going to type in happy Halloween like this, and you can change the color. I'm going to choose this orange color, and you can go to the effect and you will see haunted text effect, and it will create something like this. And I'm going to click on done, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, and you can use it for your Instagram story. And once you're done, you can click on your story and the story will be uploaded to your Instagram. And usually guys, when the Halloween moment, Instagram will release like secret phrases, and I'm going to try it and let's see whether it works or not. Usually when we type in skull or pumpkin emoji, it will create special effect, but yeah, it doesn't come out, or maybe it hasn't released yet. I don't know. In last year guys, when we type in wait, I'm going to open up one of my DM. Last year when we type in skull emoji, we will get a special effect like bad effect, but I think it doesn't work now. Let's try it. Okay, it doesn't work, or maybe we need to wait for the secret phrases to release. And okay guys, that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.